Hello guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best electric mouse traps on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. XEST Electronic Rat Trap. Are you tired of traditional rodent traps that are messy, inefficient, and a hassle to clean? The XEST Electronic Rat Trap is here to revolutionize pest control in your home. This modern, no-touch, no-see electric mouse zapper combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to deliver a stress-free solution for rodent problems. With a 99% kill rate, the XEST Rat Trap efficiently handles rodents of all sizes, from small mice to hefty rats weighing up to 500 grams. Its powerful electric shock ensures an instant kill, making it the humane and reliable choice for pest control. Safety you can trust. This electric mouse trap is CE certified and has undergone over 20 rigorous safety tests, offering peace of mind for households with kids or pets. The fire-resistant ABS material ensures durability in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. Long-lasting performance. Forget the hassle of frequent recharging. A single charge of the XEST rechargeable lithium battery delivers up to 30 kills. It's the perfect combination of power and convenience, whether you're dealing with a small infestation or a larger problem. Cost-efficient and eco-friendly. Say goodbye to expensive and wasteful traditional traps. Number 4. XEST MK08S Electric Mouse Trap. Say goodbye to ineffective and messy pest control methods. The XEST MK08S Electric Mouse Trap offers a modern, humane, and efficient solution for tackling rodent problems in your home or workplace. This advanced electric rat zapper combines cutting-edge technology with convenience to give you peace of mind in a rodent-free space. Anti-escape design for maximum efficiency. The innovative anti-escape mechanism ensures rodents have no chance to flee. Once a mouse or rat enters, the trap's prevention plate locks them in, while a 3,900-volt shock delivers an instant, painless end. This guarantees a 100% success rate while maintaining a humane approach to pest control. Simple and user-friendly operation. Setting up the MK08S trap is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Add bait to the dedicated cup, connect it to a power source or insert 4C batteries, not included, and place it along the wall where rodents are active. With a single set of batteries, you can achieve at least 30 shocks, making it both efficient and long-lasting. LED alerts for easy monitoring. No need for constant checking. The trap's built-in blue LED light alerts you when a rodent is captured. Number 3. Victor M241B Indoor Electronic Humane Rat and Mouse Trap. Tired of traditional traps that are messy and unreliable? The Victor M241B Indoor Electronic Humane Rat and Mouse Trap is here to deliver a modern, humane, and effective way to rid your home of rodents. Its innovative features make it the go-to solution for pest control with no-touch, no-see convenience. Humane high-voltage shock. Once a rat or mouse enters the trap, a powerful high-voltage shock is delivered instantly, ensuring a quick and painless end. This humane approach makes it a responsible choice for pest control without unnecessary suffering. Designed for indoor use. Perfect for homes or businesses, this trap is ideal for areas where rodents are active. Simply place it along walls or other high-traffic zones to maximize effectiveness. Long-lasting battery life. With just 4 AA batteries, not included, this trap can kill up to 35 rats before needing a recharge. It's not only efficient but also cost-effective, saving you from frequent replacements. Improved design for ease of use. Number 2. Victor M250 SSR 2 Indoor Electronic Humane Mouse Trap. Say goodbye to traditional traps and hello to the Victor M250 SSR 2 Indoor Electronic Humane Mouse Trap, a smart, efficient, and humane way to eliminate mice from your home or business. With advanced technology and user-friendly features, these traps provide a no-touch, no-see solution that ensures safety and convenience. 100% kill rate. This trap is engineered for maximum efficiency. Beveled columns securely hold the mouse in place over the trigger plate, ensuring there's no chance of escape. The high-voltage shock delivers a quick, humane end to the rodent in seconds. Built-in safety features. Worried about safety? The M250 SSR-2 includes an automatic safety switch that deactivates the trap when opened, providing peace of mind for households with children or pets. No touch, no see design. The removable kill chamber makes disposal quick and clean. You'll never have to touch or view the rodent, ensuring a mess-free and stress-free experience. LED alerts for effortless monitoring. A green LED light alerts you when a catch has been made, eliminating the need for constant checks. Spend less time monitoring and more time enjoying your rodent-free space. Easy to use and maintain. Using the Victor M250 SSR-2 is as simple as it gets. Add a small amount of bait to the bait cup, insert 4 AA batteries, not included, place the trap along the wall in high-activity areas, and switch it on. It's designed for effortless setup and maintenance. 2-trap convenience. This set includes 2 traps, doubling your pest control power. Perfect for tackling infestations in multiple locations simultaneously. Compact and lightweight design. Each trap is compact and lightweight, measuring just 0.25-inch LX 0.13, WX 0.07, H and weighing 8 ounces. Number 1. OWLTRA Indoor Electric Mousetrap. The OWLTRA Indoor Electric Mousetrap is the ultimate solution for dealing with rodent infestations humanely and efficiently. Designed for modern households, this trap ensures quick and painless rodent elimination with safety and ease of use in mind. Humane and efficient elimination. Say goodbye to suffering and messy traps. OWLTRA's advanced Quick Zap system delivers a powerful 6,000,8,9,000 volt shock that eliminates rodents instantly. It's a humane, chemical-free alternative to traditional pest control methods. Pet-safe dual infrared sensor. Safety comes first. OWLTRA features 2 infrared sensors at the trap's entrance and back, ensuring it activates only when a rodent is fully inside. This design protects children and small pets from accidental shocks while ensuring no false zaps. High-capacity performance. Powered by just 4 AA batteries, the OWLTRA trap can eliminate up to 60 rodents on a single set, making it a cost-effective and reliable choice for handling even large infestations. No mess disposal. Cleaning has never been easier. The trap's magnetic latches allow you to remove the lid and dispose of rodents without touching or seeing them. The OWLTRA automatically deactivates when the lid is removed, offering a safe and hygienic cleaning process. Convenient bait placement. The built-in bait area is thoughtfully designed for easy use. Simply lift the bait door, apply a small amount of protein-rich bait, like peanut butter, at the back of the trap, and let the OWLTRA do the rest.